Ever found yourself with a killer deal on PayPal, but your YouTrip card is burning a hole in your pocket? You're not alone. Many travelers wonder if they can seamlessly link their YouTrip card to PayPal for those sweet online purchases. In this video, we're diving deep to find out if YouTrip and PayPal are a match made in travel heaven, or if it's more like a travel nightmare. YouTrip is a popular travel card known for its competitive foreign exchange rates and cashback rewards. PayPal, on the other hand, is a global giant in online payments, offering convenience and security for millions worldwide. But can these two powerhouses play nice together? Let's investigate. The short answer is no, you cannot directly link your YouTrip card to your PayPal account. YouTrip primarily functions as a prepaid travel card. This means you load funds onto the card beforehand and then use it for your purchases. PayPal, however, generally prefers to deal with bank accounts or credit cards for transactions. Think of it like this: YouTrip is like a dedicated travel wallet, while PayPal is more like a versatile online purse. They have different functions and ways of operating. While direct linking isn't possible, there are still ways to use YouTrip for PayPal purchases. Fund your PayPal account with your YouTrip card. You can withdraw funds from your YouTrip card and use those funds to top up your PayPal balance. This allows you to utilize YouTrip's favorable exchange rates while still making purchases through PayPal. Use your YouTrip card for purchases where PayPal is an option. Many online merchants offer PayPal as a payment option alongside credit cards and debit cards. You can directly use your YouTrip card for these purchases without needing to link it to PayPal. Important considerations. Currency conversion. Be mindful of potential currency conversion fees when using YouTrip for PayPal transactions. While YouTrip generally offers competitive rates, PayPal may also have its own conversion fees, so check their terms and conditions carefully. Transaction limits. Be aware of any spending limits or daily withdrawal limits associated with your YouTrip card. Ensure you have sufficient funds available for your PayPal transactions. Benefits of using YouTrip for PayPal purchases indirectly. Leverage YouTrip's competitive exchange rates. Enjoy potentially better exchange rates compared to your bank or other cards when funding your PayPal account or making direct purchases. Earn cashback rewards. Depending on your YouTrip card tier and spending habits, you can earn cashback rewards on your PayPal transactions, adding extra value to your travel budget. Enhanced security. YouTrip offers various security features, such as card lock and travel notifications, which can help protect your funds and provide peace of mind when traveling. While a direct link between YouTrip and PayPal might not exist, you can still effectively use YouTrip for your PayPal purchases through alternative methods. By understanding the options and considering the potential costs, you can maximize the benefits of both platforms and enjoy a smoother travel experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.